Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening these two packages that just came from Amazon. So this one's my brother and this one's mine. So let's start unpackaging. So this one's my brother and it came today and it says to Carlos, enjoy. Let's open this. Wow, there's a letter. It says to Carlos from Amazon.com. So it says, hi Carlos, hope you enjoy your gifts that you ordered. I put some extras in your packaging. Amazon.com. Okay, so it's kind of short actually, so yeah. It said it had extras. Let's see about that. Look guys, Dead Space. So he ordered this. Dead Space game for his Xbox. It's really scary actually. I've heard of it because he told me. We've watched videos of it. Wait. Okay, so this is a game about killing. I've heard of it too. And you have your own horse. But wait, guys. There's no extras. What the heck? So guys, this is mine. It actually came in 3 days. So that is really no fair. To Samantha, enjoy. Okay, so this is from Amazon too. Okay. She really does put it really hard so you can open it. So really. So guys, I just opened it. So yeah, let's check what's here. Wow, this is a really cool. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. So I ordered this. Let's go with the next thing. So I ordered this camera too. It's Sony. Really cool. And oh my gosh, I ordered this gold fidget spinner, guys. Let's see if it works. It does work, guys. Okay. So guys, there's this pink bag. I don't know what it is. I never ordered this. So let's see. Oh my gosh. I never ordered this, so I think this is a extra. It's strawberry freeze. Guys, let me test it. It smells good. Okay, now let's see what else she gave me. Or he gave me. These are for your hair. Really cute and beautiful. Another fidget spinner, guys. But it's broken. I know these are the light ones because they're plastic. So yeah, I'm really sad. And that is all. Oh no! There's actually coins because it costs $30. So I paid $50. So I have change. All of the coins just fell on the floor. So guys, I have to cut this video right here. So I'll see you next time. And comment down below what else do you want me to order in Amazon. And make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And actually, I wanted to tell you that if you don't know me, it's because this is my first video, so